Hi everyone, today let us learn about cycloalkanes. They are class of hydrocarbons having a ring-like structure. It consists of only carbon and hydrogen. So since they are a group of hydrocarbons and the name itself suggests they are mainly primarily made up of carbon and hydrogen. The general formula of cycloalkane is CnH2n. So when we look at alkane, alkene, and alkyne, cycloalkanes and alkenes have similar general formula. Even alkenes have CnH2n and even cycloalkanes have CnH2n. So mainly the two hydrogen on an alkane gets fused when they form a ring. So that's the reason why there are two less hydrogen in cycloalkane compared to alkane. Coming to the uses, they're used in motor fuel, natural gas. They form the main component of natural gas, petroleum gas, kerosene, diesel, and many other heavy oils. Let us learn to write the structure of cyclobutane. First, let us learn about to write the structure of cyclopropane. Propane is three carbon atom, and three carbon atom which is in a fused ring, or that is a fused form or a ring structure, and cyclo suggests that it is mainly a cyclic compound. So here we will write cyclo, we will write three carbon atom in a form of a triangle, and that is how cyclic compound is formed. So this is about writing the basic carbon skeleton. Now, as you all know, the valency of carbon is 4, and here when we look at each carbon atom, valency is not satisfied. So hence we have to complete the structure by writing 2 hydrogen on each carbon atom. So this would be the structure of cyclopropane, and the molecular formula would be C3H6. Similarly, next let us learn how to write the structure of cyclobutane. So usually in exam, 10th grade exam, they can ask to write structure, and similarly they can also ask, or they can even ask you to write electron dot structure. So electron dot structure I will be teaching in the next video. So now today we'll just learn to write the structure of some of the cyclic compounds. Similarly, we have cyclobutane. So when we talk about bute, so the root word bute is having 4 carbon atom, and since it is cyclic, so let us write 4 carbon atom. So when it is forming a square, and here this is the basic skeleton structure. Now the remaining would be, the next step would be to satisfy the carbon valency, that is 4. So hence every carbon atom gets 2 hydrogen, as mainly a covalent bond is formed. This is how we would write the structure of cyclobutane, and when we look at the molecular formula, it is going to be C4H8. Now next, similarly, let us learn how to write structure for cyclopentane. So pent, a root word would be 5, and again a cyclic compound. So let us write 5 carbon atom, which is in a ring form. So this would be the basic skeleton structure for pentane. Now the next step would be to write the remaining carbon, that is to fill the valency, complete the valency with 2 hydrogen around each carbon atom. So this would be writing the structure for cyclopentane, and the molecular formula would be C5H10. So this way we can go on writing for the next member of the cyclic group, that would be cyclohexane, and so on. Similarly, if you have to write down for cyclohexane, so it would be 6 carbon atom in the form of a hexagon. Now the rest would be writing the. So every time you're writing a structure, make sure that every carbon has 4 bonds around them, and that's how we would understand that the valency of carbon is 4 and valency of each carbon is satisfied. So this way we write down the structure of for each carbon, and here also again. So it will be C6H12. Okay, so this is how we would write the structure for cyclohexane and so on. Thank you very much.